Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working on your Windows 11. So this is going to be a quick and easy fix. So first thing you're going to do is go into your window right here. So just start. And then once you click on there, you're going to go to settings. Now once in your setting, you're going to go down here or basically look for privacy and security settings. So we're going to click on that. And once you click on that, we're going to scroll down here for a little bit further for app permissions, and we're going to look for microphone right here. So let's click on microphone. Now in the microphone section, we want to ensure that specific settings are turned on. For example, mic access, we need to ensure that toggle is turned on. Now after that, we want to also ensure that let apps access your microphone. We want to make sure this is turned on. And then we want to select apps that we want to have microphone access to. So basically you want probably, if you're using a webcam, you want the camera to have microphone. If you're using Copilot, let's say you're using it for your game, maybe Xbox, right? You want to make sure this is turned on. Basically any app that says off will not have access to the mic, and mic will not work when you're using that app. So you want to go through the list for each app that you want, make sure it's on for that app, and your mic will be fixed and it should work. Simple as that. Now another thing to keep in mind is mic in terms of your Bluetooth, right? If you're connected to a device, sometimes it may be looking for that device to be the mic. So you might want to disable or turn off that device. For example, if you're a speaker, it might think that's where the microphone is coming from, and your speaker might be further away. It might not work from there. So you want to turn off those speakers that you don't want the mic trying to use that as a mic. So that's how you can fix it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for Windows 11, your PC and laptop. We'll see you guys next time.